everyone and welcome to another vlog. Yay! We're in Michigan! That's the funniest noise. That's all.
She's been playing with Chad's dog, and she
Lily.
gets pretty aggressive with her. So Mom's dogs don't like it. What the heck is this little mouse?
Hey, Arlie. Where are you going? Hey.
Hey.
Hi, Chip.
Just getting out of the way.
Arlie. Get her, Gracie. Get her. Get her. Hey guys, so we have had a fantastic day today. We went to my grandma's house and wrapped presents, did a little bit of last minute Christmas shopping, and we also all went out to Olive Garden, which was really nice, with my parents and my grandma, and got some soup and salad and a little bit of pasta, which was delightful. And then after we wrapped a bunch of presents, Caleb came over to my grandma's house and brought his dog Harley, which was really cute. It's the first time that I've met her. Adorable little puppy that's German Shepherd and I think Lab mixed. And then we all went together and saw the movie Collateral Beauty with Will Smith and Helen Mirren and a bunch of other big name actors, and the acting was top notch in it. Now we're at home and Nicole's got a couple gifts for us to open, so we're gonna open those and just chill out, hang out, watch some TV, and that's pretty much it. But had a great first day here so far, and I will see you all tomorrow.